Oh, hello, my spooky friends. How are we all doing today? I am back here on my YouTube channel with a little tutorial for you. This one is super fall inspired, so I hope you're ready. I'm using these Classy Cake Cosmetics brushes. They look like little purple wands. They're so cute. They're just adorable. They're like a mermaid wand, if mermaids had wands, right? So I'm using my P. Louise base today. I use the shade 0.5, but they have literally every shade you can imagine for every skin tone, and I'm just packing that baby on. And today I'm using my Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Volume 15 eyeshadow palette. Look at how stunning this is. The color story is just beautiful. I'm starting off with this deep maroon red shade, and I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm really smoking it out to my temple. I really love a super smoked out look. I like it to be more pointed, not super round, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going in with this cute orange color right in the middle and blending that into the red and starting to blend that into the very inner corner. Then going back in with the red to mash them together, if you will. I'm now taking this yellowy kind of mustard shade and I'm putting that into the inner corner of my eye. Again, blending it all together, getting it all mashed together. I don't know why I'm saying that today. Mashed? Then I'm taking this golden kind of beautiful highlight color and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eye. Taking my Makeup a Murder eyeliner, which oh my god, this eyeliner is black as heck. And it is super, I don't know if this is the correct term, but like moist for an eyeliner. I'm sorry, I hate that word, but like sometimes eyeliners are really dry, you know? This one, oh heck no, honey. Not dry at all. I went ahead and put on an orange shirt and my spooky ghost and pumpkin earrings. These are made by Alexandria Bishop. I'll be sure to put her info down in the description box, but her artwork is killer. Y'all gotta go check it out. Because she makes earrings, prints, custom pieces. You gotta go see, because it's amazing. I'm taking this NYX pencil. It's a shimmery orange kind of color, putting it in my waterline, and now I'm taking this Huda liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that underneath because my lower lash line is super dry, so I need something for the eyeshadow to stick to. So I put the liquid down first and then put the eyeshadow on top of it so it can make it more dramatic. Then I'm just finishing off that liner. I like to connect it on the bottom and kind of clean up the edge there in case my foundation messed anything up, and then I go in with the inner corner. But of course my eye starts watering. Ugh, so annoying, but I fixed it, don't worry. I'm using my Laura Mercier bronzer. I don't typically love bronzer, but this look was so warm I needed something to add some more warmth to my face. But this bronzer was really nice because it wasn't very dramatic at all. I just added a little something to my pale, pasty skin. Sometimes bronzers are like orange, you know? You know. Taking my Gold Digger Artist Couture powder, I'm putting that in the inner corner, highlighting my brow bone with my Sigma Beauty Lash Fan Brush, and then also them cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. I don't know what happened to the color change here in my camera, but I hate when it does that. I'm so sorry. I went from like a golden goddess to like a pale white ghost. Then I'm taking my Tatti Lashes. This is the TL Mmmitchell 2. I've never used Tatti Lashes before. They just sent me a little care package, but I was really impressed with these, actually. I really liked them. I think they are really full and pretty and dramatic. Then I'm going to go ahead and tightline to make sure everything's nice and blended together. I use the PIXI Beauty Tightline pencil. I really like it a lot. It's really nice. Doesn't make my eyes water. Sometimes pencils will make my eyes water, and we don't want that. Using my Farsali Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask, I'm just prepping my lips, and then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with my Tuscan Architect LA Splash Cosmetics Lip Sculptor Liner. That's a mouthful. But this is the shade Tuscan. It's just like a dark brown. I use it almost in every single video. It's my favorite. This color is called Frenchie. It's a lipstick from Aboni Cosmetics. And oh my god, at first I was like, this is such an odd color, but like, it's so cute. I don't have a color like this. Like, let's just be real. It's like this mustard green with like a yellow tone. I don't know, girl, but it's cute. Oh my god, I was so impressed with it. I loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry if my schedule is kind of messed up and I'm posting on off days. I'm trying to figure it out. Your girl's doing her best. It's now August. I'm stressed out because of Halloween. I think I mentioned this in my last video, but I'm doing my best and I am filming Halloween stuff. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.